I am now live. Tonight's talk, I'm going to be talking about photonic therapy. But did you watch my talk last week on what is normal for your horse? Did you get a chance to go to my website and get your health assessment sheet, which has enough for 6 days for you to get an average? And across here I've got your heart rate, your temperature, respiratory rate, digital pulse and gut sounds. So take it every day for 6 days, that'll give you an average, then for that you'll know what is normal for your horse. Today I am talking about photonic therapy. In simple terms, this is the application of light to particular areas of the skin that are of increased electrical conductivity, are acupressure points and meridians used to stimulate particular physiological results. It is based on the way the nerves work and how the wavelength of light stimulates them in a neuropsychological way. Other names for photonic therapy are LLLT, low level laser, or low level therapy, light therapy, cold laser, photopuncture, phototherapy, photonic therapy, red light therapy. When light travels in waves, it's the frequency and the amplitude is measured by the wave closeness and height, and also indicates the colour and the energy output. Let's have a look at some of my notes. When light makes contact with the tissue, it changes to photons. Photonic therapy works the body's tissue, absorbs the wavelength of light at a cellular level, converting it to cellular energy. This is known as ATP. Excuse me. Many studies have shown this energy accelerates activity in the part of the cell that generates protein, collagen and healing materials. Us women, we all want a bit of collagen to fill out our wrinkles, as well as improving blood flow to the area being treated, speeding healing and minimising pain. I use acupressure points, which this consists of the emission of light from a torch or pad, the light scattering through the flesh and being transferred into electrical energy. The energy is absorbed into the nervous system. So instead of a needle in acupuncture or the presence of fingers in acupressure, stimulus is by conversion of light energy. Benefits of photonic therapy are many. A few are: increases lymphatic activity, strengthens the immune system, encourages production of collagen, increased blood flow and circulation, but not giving you more blood, or the horse or the animal more blood, just increases blood flow. Releases chemicals such as serotonin and endorphins. That all makes us feel really good. Accelerates healing of the skin. If you've got a wound, you've got a burn or a scar, formation of new capillaries, stimulates bone healing, and also increases range of motion. I use photonic therapy myself on a few issues like I tend to use the 𝗶𝗀𝗀𝗃 when I get cramps in my legs, in my calf muscles. Lay the 𝗶𝗀𝗃 up, wrap it around my leg. Within a minute, cramps gone. Get a backache, I sometimes lay on it, so I've got to keep wiping the 𝗶𝗀𝗃 down because I don't want to be using it straight after many horses have used it, so I do, clean it down, and I don't want horses using it after I've used it. The torch. I use the torch to speed up the healing of bruises so it doesn't fully come out, and we use it a couple of times a day. The bruise is gone really quickly and it doesn't come out all dark and blue and black. Photonic therapy does come in other light colours other than red. We have blue, which decreases chance of infection, removes heat from the body, diminishes and eliminates bacteria, reduces stress and promotes relaxation. Green balances the body, stimulates cellular growth, reduction of spots and blotches on the skin, and red is good for triggers growth and repair of cells, improves circulation and cardiovascular health, reduces pain and inflammation. So over the next couple of days of this week, I'll do a different post. One will be a bit more information about the benefits of photonic therapy. The next day will be the types of products you can use photonic therapy. Two that I have are the torch and the 𝗶𝗀𝗃, but there are rectangle square pads, but I'll talk more about that in my post another day. I'll also do sample uses and how you can get your own photonic therapy device. I will also put on my website, probably tomorrow night, I will give you a chart of acupressure points that you can use with your fingers if you don't have a photonic therapy torch, and I will do that on anxiety. I think that'll be a good one if you take your horse out to different events and shows and they're a bit anxious because they're in a different environment. This will give you the pressure points that you can use to assist your horse in being a bit more relaxed before you ride in your event. So that is it for me, just a brief talk because I am still nervous and getting my head around doing lives. Over the next couple of weeks I will be doing topics like core exercises and carrot stretch. I will be talking about confirmation and posture, to name a few, but each week there will be something different. Please feel free to reach out by text, messenger, or email if you want to know anything more about the talks that I've done or I'm doing, or when I'm going to do a particular talk, if that is something you're particularly interested and you do want to watch. These videos will also be uploaded to YouTube over the next day or two, so if you missed this or you want to check out YouTube, do that. I'm just starting to get more involved in YouTube. So thank you for listening and good night, and yeah, please feel free to reach out and ask questions. How do I stop?